Hello. Hello. All right. So it's gonna be another quick video. I only did about 2 trades this week. This will be the fourth week of June. I did one long and one short trade. Um, let's go to the long one. ATLN. Quick in and out for a quick profit on the 23rd. Sorry, my apologies. All right, let's go to 1 minute. It was right here. Let me. I got in at point 6, about here. Got out at 0.74 actually. Oh, right here basically on this. Left a lot on the table. It did go a lot higher, but quick in and out, quick profit. Made about $270 on this one. And the next one, I was the reason I decided to be long on this one, because it had a contract winner, a government contract award, so that's why I decided to go long pre-market on the after the dip. The dip was if you look right here, it kind of dipped all the way back to this support area, so decided to get in, and yeah, made about 270. Then the next one was ILLR. I was short on this one. Short, I had a pre-market order, or maybe did it at market open. I had like 100 shares at about 5.45. I had another 100 shares at about 5.65, and I had 200 more shares at about 5.8. In case it had a market open spike, I would fill up all those positions into this pre-market consolidation, pre-market resistance right here. Well, it didn't really. Later in the day, it had this spike right into my first order, which was 100 shares, and then it had the drop. So on the drop from 5.4 all the way to 4.8, I just decided to cover that 100 shares, thinking it would come back and test this resistance area. It didn't, so only 100 shares got filled, and of course I didn't make that much money, only $54 on this one. After as you can see, it didn't go all the way back to that area. Yeah, so that's the only 2 trades I made. Of course, the lesson on this one would be, you never know how high it's gonna go, but this failed run could have been a good sign of getting in, of changing my my risk levels, I guess. I don't know, maybe not. I'm gonna have to check that to get some data on that, so I can make better decisions in the future. So yeah, that's the only 2 trades I made this week. So far the month is great. Every week it's green, so that's great. and I mean, didn't make that much, but overall about $320 for the week. Two trades, they both were green. On one trade made about 22%. On the second one, ILLR, I made about 10%. Yeah, good week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Since I usually do that, usually I'm live going over the week at the end. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a